we'll move further. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, again, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, for the next three, there is a pattern. In mathematics, how can you write 17? You can write it mathematically as 10 plus 7. So what is 10? It is this. And what is 7? It is set. So it becomes the set. The set. Similarly, 18 can be written as 10 plus 8. So it becomes these and wheat. So how do you pronounce it? The zweit. The zweit. Then 19 can be written as 10 plus 9. So it becomes these nuff. These nuff. Now for 20, the sound is nasal. It is va. Va. So we'll repeat. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,